So this is basically how to change the title of the charts dynamically. As in, we can see this title total sales by date. We want to change this dynamically. Means if we filter this year, for example, 2020, it is showing us the 2020 sales. So I want to change the title to total sales for 2020. If I change it to 2022, it will show total sales for 2022. And if I don't select anything, it will show total sales by date or it will show total sales over time. So for this, we are going to create a measure, dynamic title. So in this measure, first of all, we are going to check if this year column is getting filtered or not. So for that, we write if condition. If is filtered, this filter will check if this year column is getting filtered. So we'll pass the year column inside this. If it is true, so if this column is getting filtered, it will show us the title as sales for, or let's write total sales for. Let's give a space and close, and then to concatenate with this selected filter, we are going to add ampersand, and we are going to say selected value from the year column. So if the year column is filtered, will give us this. Else, it is going to say sales over time. Let's close the bracket. So now I'm going to use this measure in the title. So let's go to the title section here, and here we have this total sales by date manually written. We are going to use this FX button. So click on this conditional formatting for the title, and from in format style, we are going to choose field value, and let's choose the field here. So let's type dynamic. So this is the one, dynamic title, and click on OK. So now it's showing sales over time because nothing is selected in the year filter. So if I select anything like 2021, it's going to say total sales for 2021. If I select 2023, it's going to say total sales for 2023. So it's working properly. If I clear this filter, it's showing sales over time. Now there's one more thing. If I select 2023, it's going to say total sales for 2023. What if I select another year, let's say 2022? So now it's showing total sales for, and it's not showing anything because we have not added a condition for this multiple value selection. If you open the measure, here we can see it is checking if the year column is filtered. It will show this one. And if it is not filtered, it will show this title. So here you can see it's showing total sales for only till this much. What about the selected value this year? Because the selected value only shows the single selection value and not the multiple selection value. So in the alternate result, you can say multiple years. So if I click on enter, it will show total sales for multiple years. Or if you want to show these years exactly, we'll have to write a measure on top of that. So let's write this. We'll write a variable for multiple values. That will be concatenate x function. And here we'll pass values for year. And in the expression, we are going to add the year column again from the date table. And the delimiter, let's say we want to add a comma with a space. Let's close this. This is a variable result. And here we are going to say, don't show us multiple years. We want to see the multiple values. And let's return the result. Now see what it's showing. See, it's showing total sales for 2022, 2023. If I add 2021 as well, see, it's showing total sales for 2021, 2022,